Hey everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the penguin and fish embroidery scissors. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below and that way you don't miss another video. And while you're at it, click the little ding button and then you will get immediate alerts as soon as I post a video. Today we're going to talk about the penguin and fish embroidery scissors. These were invented by Alyssa Thomas, the owner of Penguin and Fish. She is a fabric designer, an author, and she also posts live videos on Facebook every single weekday night. And she's been doing this for quite a while, so be sure to click on the information below so that you can too follow her. Alyssa designed these scissors last year when she was releasing her embroidery supplies bundle. They were such a huge hit that her fans insisted that she keeps these as a staple product in her supplies on her website. They also admit that every time they look at them, they smile. I mean, who wouldn't smile at these? In fact, Alyssa and her husband made a cute little video using the little Stork scissors in the variety of colors talking to each other. So be sure to check it out right here, and I'll have a link in the profile so that you can check it out there as well. So let's go ahead and talk about the embroidery Stork scissors by Penguin and Fish, and look at all the pretty colors they come in as well. Alright, so the Penguin and Fish Stork embroidery scissors come in this cute little plastic scissors sheath, which is perfect for when you're traveling or when you're not using your scissors. They're modeled after traditional Stork scissors, and they measure 4 inches long and are made of stainless steel, which makes them feel heavy and substantial in your hand. You'll also note a bit of glitter, kind of a shimmery sheen, to our little Stork scissors here, and the words penguin and fish are printed on the Stork's beak. And what's even more special is they come in 6 different colors. You've got eggplant, poppy, dandelion, tangerine, blueberry, and mint. And the mint is the one I chose to show off to you all today. The adorable little Stork scissors are great for having handy when you're working with a hand embroidery project and or even when you're working next to your sewing machine. And what's funny is that, you can actually kind of coordinate your scissors with your project and or your thread. And in this case, I'm making a little project for Heidi, and I'm using the same mint color thread as are my scissors. And I really like how Alyssa had suggested that when you're working on a project, you keep everything together. The project, the threads, the needles, and of course your little Stork scissors. And this way, whenever you go back to your project, you're not having to search for another pair of scissors. Everything is all ready to go, and you're ready to start stitching. You're not waiting and looking for things. I thought that was kind of a great little idea. So what did you think of the little Penguin and Fish embroidery Stork scissors? I wanted to mention that Alyssa had a really good point about, who could use these scissors. And obviously, they were designed with her fans in mind that are hand embroiderers. But also, every time that you're sewing at your serger or your sewing machine and maybe at your pressing station, it's nice to have a few of these little scissors floating around. And also, if you do projects and you're on the go, maybe you're binding a quilt in the car while somebody else is driving, make sure that somebody else is driving. And maybe that you're got your hand embroidery project all put together in a little box. You've got your threads, you've got your fabric, you've got your instructions. So why not make sure you have a pair of these scissors also inside there. These also would be perfect for gifts for your crafting, stitching friends. And how much do the little Penguin and Fish scissors retail for? They retail for $17.95. And you can get them on Alyssa's website at penguinandfish.com. All the information will be in the link below. And before you leave, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and click the little ding button. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. I would love to see what you're interested in, and be sure to also leave comments below if you love this video, if you want to see more like it. And I also wanted to remind you that you can follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. And be sure to join my Facebook group. We are having a ton of fun over there, and we do a lot of extra giveaways and coupon codes, and it's always just fun to see what you're stitching of Suavery designs, and then folks post them there, they leave fun comments, and it's a great interactive group. So be sure to check out the Suavery Designs fan club on Facebook. And until next time, I hope you, we hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye! If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye.